Okay, so yeah, today we're going to be talking about Mango languages. So let's get started. And in today's slides presentation, we're going to have 4 parts: the introduction, how to create an account, how to start learning languages, and the pros, cons, and frequently asked questions about the service. So first off, the introduction. So what is Mango Languages? Well, Mango Languages is an online language learning app. Learning a new language isn't easy. Committing to a new way of communicating is a verbal and physical commitment that is unfamiliar but rewarding in what you'll discover along the way. More about Mango Languages. Well, it has over 70 languages to explore. It connects communities around the world, and their service includes inductive interactive learning. Their modern language courses vary between 10 and 40 courses, each with 5 to 10 lessons. And their service is self-paced, intuitive, and accessible on iPhone, Android, and computers. They also have a flexible setup and customer support. So what makes Mango Languages different from other language programs? Mango Languages focuses on teaching conversational skills rather than vocabulary, which is rarely needed when traveling. The lessons range from greetings to encounters you may need to have at the doctor, at the bank, or in a restaurant. The service integrates culture notes and tips into each lesson, and they are explained in the student's native language. Each course is planned and written with the help of highly qualified teachers. These teachers go through a rigorous selection process to make sure they'll help build successful courses. And some community organizations, like public libraries, offer free access to Mango languages. So how do you get it? Well, first, you'll want to check if your local library, school, or community organization offers Mango languages to its patrons for free. And you can use this link to search for an affiliated community organization near you. And the site is mangolanguages.com/find-mango. Downloading the Mango Languages app. Mango Languages can be downloaded from the App Store or the Google Play Store. If you don't yet have a Mango profile, you can open the app, tap the sign up button, and create your profile. If you already have a Mango profile, then tap Login at the bottom of the screen and enter your login information. You can also simply use their website if you don't want to use your mobile device or if you prefer to use your um, desktop or laptop. Signing up. So follow these instructions when creating a Mango Languages profile using the mobile app. First, download and open the Mango Languages app. Then tap the orange Create Your Profile button. Enter your email address and create a password. Then type Sign Up. Read the data consent form, then click I agree if you would like to continue. And finally, select the language you would like to learn. Getting started. Note, if you click Try Free Lesson, you'll have access to the first lesson of most language courses and complete access to the endangered language courses. You can unlock more access later through your library by clicking Subscribe for more. Free Mango. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner of your app, and in the menu that slides out from the right, tap Subscribe for more. On the next screen, tap Search in the Find Free Mango box. Search for your library. Tap the search bar at the top of your screen, and in order to search for your library, you'll have to enter your zip code or your postal code. And after searching for your library and tapping on your library's name, you'll probably have to enter your library card number and maybe a PIN or password, and then click Done or Go on the keyboard. If you entered your library card number correctly, it will say Success. Tap Continue to access more lessons. And here are the images for this process. So for this example, it was searched for the Manatee County Public Library. And in the search bar, they typed Manatee and they found their Manatee County Public Library system here. So they clicked or tapped on it. And from there, it asked them to type in their library card number. And once they entered the correct number, it said success. App features. First, there's listening and reading activities. The lessons involve a rich mix of listening and reading activities, so you can make sense of written and spoken context. An all-in-one interface. It has a simplified learning environment which presents content structure, review progress, and learning activities front and center. They also have a review system that provides you with a personalized review experience that adapts to your progress and learning behaviors. Paid subscriptions. If you want to use Mango Languages, but you cannot access it through an association such as your library or community organization or school, you'll have to pay for a monthly or yearly subscription. And as you can see from the pricing, they charge $8 US per month for a single language. And for all languages, you'll have to pay $18 US per month. So what are the pros of Mango Languages? Well, they have an interesting movie feature for select languages. They offer more than 70 languages. And it's inexpensive and free through libraries and other institutions. So what are some cons? Well, first off, it doesn't teach foreign scripts and there's no scoring in lessons. Frequently asked questions. Who is Mango best suited for? It'll work the best for beginners or for those interested in studying a few languages at the same time. Mango methodology. Lessons include strategically placed memory building exercises to help users remember what they are learning in addition to critical thinking exercises, which help them to intuitively understand the language and adapt it to similar conversations. And if you need more help, they have a customer support phone number, which is 877-626-4611. And their office hours are listed here. And you can also visit support.mangolanguages.com, and there'll be a help page where you can search up for your question, and there may be an article on it. So what are some alternative online language learning programs? There's Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. And these are also very popular language learning apps. So now we're gonna do a live demonstration of the service. So first off, we're gonna visit the Mango Languages page. Right here, mangolanguages.com. And this is their main page. At the top, you'll see language is in adventure, right there in the center. And if you scroll down, you'll see there are various features. So first, learn with proven linguistic methodology that focuses on intuitive language construction. Speak it like a local, native speaker audio, real life conversations, cultural context, the best way to learn a foreign language. And it sticks. Mango software includes intelligent algorithms that work behind the scenes to provide personalized review, so you remember what you've learned. And here they talk about how they have a 4.8 and 4.7 star rating on the app stores, the awards they've gotten, some press, and they also show their subscription here. And at the top here, where it says languages, you can hover over it, and then it'll show their wide variety of languages. So once again, they have more than 70 world languages. They also have ESL courses, so you can learn English through your other native language. And they also provide language learning resources for the various languages that they teach. And they have quite an extensive amount of languages on their service, and they also have some interesting ones here as well. So let's say you're interested in trying Mango languages and you want to see if your library provides the service for free. Well, you can simply click Find Mango here at the top right. And from here, you can find Mango languages at an organization near you. And from here, you can type in your zip or postal code, and there will be a list of the local libraries near you. And if it shows up, then it probably means that they offer Mango languages for free. You can also access the help desk by going here to support and help center. And from here, you can also type in all your questions. Okay, and let's say you wanted to sign up to the service. It's really simple. It's the blue button over here on the top right. It says sign up. And from here, you can sign up to save your progress. You can enter your email address, password, and click sign up. So for this demonstration, we also have like a pre-existing account that we can log in and show you guys how the service looks. Okay, as you can see, this current account is not linked to a library, nor does it have a paid subscription. As you can see here, it says you currently have limited access. So when you sign up, you'll have limited access if you don't connect to a library or another organization, or if you don't have a paid subscription. But here, they'll let you try a free lesson. So you can click on that. And the pre-chosen language was French. And as you can see, everything else here is locked except for like the first lesson here. And going through, you can see how this service works. Learn with conversations, practice pronunciation and speaking, recognize patterns, and compare your voice. So if we click start, and here's an example of like how their lessons go. So here you can see in English, it says, "Oh, good morning, how are you?" And underneath it shows the how it's written in French. So it says "Tiens, bonjour, ça va." And from here you can press the audio button here, and it'll read it out loud.
Tiens, bonjour, ça va?
And if you click this voice comparison button here, they'll record you saying the sentence here, and you can compare what you said to how the service says it. And if you ever want to replay what they said, you can just click here.
Here is how you would say, good morning.
Bonjour.
Okay.
Now, how do you say, good morning?
And then here's your cue to start practicing saying good morning.
The translation of
Ça va?
is, how are you? However, you are literally saying, how's it going? Try to say, how are you? Now, how do you say, good morning? Try to say, how are you? To say, oh, you would say,
Tiens.
which literally means, hold it.
So yeah, this is like a brief introduction to how the lessons work. And it's more in depth than like, let's say Duolingo, where it's very simple and intuitive, but you don't really work on practicing the common phrases. So if you go to the top here, to the top right, the menu, you'll have like all these various other menus you can click on. So you can go to your profile here, and you can also change your language. So let's say I wanted to start learning Dutch. I could click Dutch and click start learning and try free lesson. And here I can click and try the first free lesson for Dutch. You can also see if you're connected to any organizations. And once again, this account isn't. You can also check your subscription. There's also family profiles, activity of like when you did the various learning activities. And there's also an assessment report. And yeah, there's a lot to discover in Mango languages, and this is a brief demo. So that concludes the demonstration.